Sit back, relax, and let's get our chomp on with this vegetable chopper that comes in 10 interchangeable blades for slicing, dicing, maxing, and waxing. Check this out, people. This item can do anything. Right here, we're going to dice up some onions. Look at how finely chopped those are. Get them right outside and right onto my hot dog. Comes with this nice cleaning tool as well. Oh, look, an apple. Guess what? That thing's going to be sliced up in just a second. Look at how thin that slices those apples. So delicious. Potato, come on, no problem for this thing. In just a matter of seconds, we got some potatoes and waffle fries. Let's get that in the air fryer. And guess what? We can fry up an egg too, because we have an egg separator, so you can separate your egg whites from the yolk, no problem. And also, let's add some French fries to that with these nice potatoes. Or you know what? That might be a potato wedge. I don't know. Lucchini, zucchini, wingzini, manzini. It does not matter. This vegetable chopper and dicer can handle all vegetables you throw at it. Look at that. And it is so easy to clean as well with these stainless steel blades as well. And guess what? That was the Home Hacks Vegetable Chopper. Buy yours now.